Okay, hello everybody and welcome to this course. In this course, I'm going to show you how to use Google Workspace, what it is, the different things you can do with this, and how to get started collaborating with Google Workspace. So, first of all, we're going to be talking about Google Drive and how it is structured. Yes, so one thing you should understand is that when you create your Google account, you are given 15 gig free of online drive, that's online space to keep your stuffs. Now this is my drive, and then you can see I've used 1.63 gig out of the 15 gig that I was given. So everything you do with your Google account, all the data generated with your Google account is saved in this drive. So you have 15 gig, and then if you exhaust this 15 gig, Google will ask you to buy storage. You will have to increase it from 15 gig to say 100 gig, and then you would have to pay for that. Yes. So but 15 gig is free for your drive, and then when you create a document, when you create any data that you create with Google Drive is stored here. Any data that you create with any of Google's products is stored here. So you can see some of my folders. Google has many products, and then we have classrooms, we have documents, we have Google Sheets, we have Google Sites, we have lots and lots and lots of Google products. So any data you create is stored here. Now, the good thing is that you can come here and arrange your Google Drive. You structure them in such a way that the ones that can be used as a collection are placed in a particular folder. When you look at my folder, you will see something like my book. Then you will see something like Gmail templates. You will see something like publications. You will see work. This is my work folder. You see trainings. You will see shoots. You will see MISC. That's miscellaneous. You will see classroom. You will see code. I arrange them here so that it is easy for me to locate each of my files in Google Drive. You understand? So I need you to understand this structure. For example, when we create a new document, and also we can create a new document from here. You can right click, and then you see you can create a new folder. You can upload a file. You can upload an entire folder, and then you can create a new Google document, create a new sheet, create a new slide, a new form. You can even create more. Google Map, Google Drawing, Google Sites, Google App Script, Google Collaboratory, and Google Jamboard. And you can even connect more apps. So there is a whole lot you can do with Google Drive. So as we proceed in the course, I'm going to create sections, each sections to show you how to use each of these tools that are connected to Google Drive. So you can create any of them from here by right clicking, create any of them from here, or you can, if you have the link, we can go to Docs. For example, docs.google.com, and then a new Google document is created. You can create a new Google document from there. It will be found in your Google Drive also, because any data you generate um, from Google product is saved in your Google Drive. So I just needed to understand that is the structure, the way Google Drive is structured. So every data you generate is saved in your Google Drive, so you can access everything, every of your data from Google Drive. So as we proceed, we'll start creating lots and lots of these different tools that are connected to Google Drive. We'll be able to find everything here, and we'll be able to store everything here, arrange them here so it is organized and easy to access. So Google Docs has opened up, and then you can see some of the documents I've created, lots and lots of them. So you can create a new document. When you create a new document, you'll find it in your Google Drive there. All right, so that is the structure behind Google Drive and Google Workspace. So Google Workspace actually means Google Drive and all of its connected tools. Google Drive and all of its connected tools. That's what it's a workspace. So because it's not just one tool, it's a connection of many different tools that can work together for efficiency, for workspace efficiency. All right, so I'll see you in the next video.